Morning. Hey.
He'll not want to play.
Oh, she does. She's bonkers.
Yeah. He'd rather be under a bush.
That's set her off. Morning, people. People have asked me from when I first started doing, what got me interested in setting up this channel was because I went out for the dog walk. It was the first video that I ever did, and I went out for the dog walk, and I went into Silver Wood, and I just whipped out my camera phone, my phone with a camera on it, of course, and I started talking because that Silverwood, the last time I went in Silverwood, I got lost taking the dog. So we got lost. So it just reminded me, and I put it onto YouTube and set this channel up. And since then, people have started asking me, can we see some more dog walks? Well, because I set that channel up, I got an idea to start adding some videos. I mean, they weren't really that good, but I've started. They're on YouTube now, and you've probably seen them or not. Anyway, which brings me to this. This place is called Wickersley Woods. Never been in here before, and I'm probably going to get lost. We've lived up here for 30 years, and I never even knew this. Well, I never knew this place existed. So we're going to give it a go, and I might be here all day because I don't know where I'm going. I parked my car up outside some beautiful houses, but if I'm not back for 5 o'clock, I think that they might be phoning police and saying we've got some stalkers outside our houses. Anyway, so I'm going to take a bit of footage now. She's getting a bit excited, so I don't know if I'm going to actually get much footage on her. But anyway, this is Wickersley Woods, and let's see what we can get out of it. Look what I've just seen as we've walked in. Let me look at this. Someone's carved this out in a tree, look. That's absolutely brilliant. Look at that. He put some breadcrumbs there as if he's nibbling away on an acorn, look. That's amazing, that's fantastic. I don't know what footage is going to look like because sun's over there and it keeps catching lens. I don't think we've... Hey! Wait! Bad idea. Come on. Oh, a stair. Bugger. Oh. Come on, lass. Oh, bugger. Getting prickled. Hey. She's tugging on me all the time when wanting to go. Why people like to see dog videos, I don't know, but they do. They probably don't want to see dog video. They're probably waiting for me to get lost. Now then, that chap over there, he looks like he's on a path. Well, there's some houses there. I can see some houses through trees. What's that saying? You can't see woods for trees. What's that all about? Ooh, nearly went again. I don't know if this is because I've got camera on a stick, and I don't know. She's going bonkers. Stop it. I've got camera on a stick, and I don't know what it'll look like on when I upload it. There's someone else over there, look. Don't know if you can see. I can't zoom in because I'm holding dog with the other hand. So there's got to be a path up there. It's a beautiful day today, but it's bloody cold. I'm just going where dogs pulling me to, because I have not got a clue. Esther, let's see if I can get a picture on for you. Esther, hey, 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 sit, 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 hey, sit. Good girl, look, yeah, look, nope, bugger. Hey, sit, sit. Esther, sit. Hey, no, no, sit, sit. Esther, sit, sit. What's this? Hey, here. Go on then, let's move on. She's seen that dog. She, oof. I tell you what, for the little dog, she's got some right strength to her. She don't have to give me a jolt when I'm not expecting it. Oh. Wait a bit, wait a bit. Come on this way. Steady. Oh, fuck. Wait. Oh, there's some more people up there. She's seen them with a dog, one or two dogs, I think. And that's what she's pulling for, because she wants to go and play. Look at her. Look at her, she's a right bugger. Yeah, a couple of dogs they've got. She just wants to play. Where is it, Bobby? Hey? Don't go under there. Come on, up. Jump up. Wait. Oh, God. Oh, this is right. Oh, my boots are sinking into this, look. Well, this is Wickersley Woods. Never been here before. I might come again in summertime when it's a bit firmer underfoot. And you ain't got to scrape your boots off and put her in the shower when I get back. I bet it's really, I mean, it's cold this morning, and there's a few dog walkers. There were, I must have counted 6 dog walkers coming out while I was parking up, and we've seen a few in here while we've been walking. So I bet on a nice day, I bet it's really busy in here. Oh, there's a dog here. Esther. Look at her, wanting to pull. Oh, she's stopped now, look. Makes me out to be a liar. Another dog walker there. Sorry. Esther, come here. Wait, just... Sorry, love. No, she's really fussy. Esther, stop it. A runner there. Just had to stop because she wanted to jump all over the... I mean, dog wanted to jump all over that runner. So, yeah, but people run around here as part of an exercise routine. Well, these are the Mausers on that road I've just parked outside. Oh, it goes. Oh, there's an exit there, look. Right, I'm not going back up there. I'm sure I'll find my way out, but I'm not going back up there. I'm going to take the easy option. An exit here with these lovely houses are. Right, that was a little tour of Wickersley Woods. In fact, I've just turned round to talk to you in camera, and look what's behind me. Look at this. For people taking time and effort to do this. It's absolutely brilliant. And an owl up there, look. How good is that? Fantastic. I don't think I'm going to come in here again. Well, not while summertime, until it's we've had a few days, a week or so, of dry weather or hot weather to bake that ground, because it's just so boggy. So I'll see what it looks like. If it's any good, I'll load it up to YouTube for you. For now, I'll silly.